Hello everyone, welcome back to another market analysis video. In this video, I'm going to share a few stocks which you can trade intraday and swing as well. Okay, I'm going to share it all on 30 minutes time frame. So let's get started. First, as you can see, this is the 30 minutes time frame of DLF, and this is 200 EMA. Okay, and as you can see, the stock has given a breakout and it has been consolidating in this range. So what we can do is we can just draw a box over here. Right, we can draw a box. Also, if you look at it closely, it has already given a breakout of the trend line. Right, it has given a breakout and it has been consolidating and it's on 200 EMA. So what can be done is you can wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out upside, you can take a long entry and I'll give you the targets. Okay, this can be your intraday target if you are planning to take an intraday, and if you're planning to take a swing trade, this looks like a good target. Swing trades won't be for very long because this is on 30 minutes time frame, so basically 2 to 3 days maximum. Okay, and for intraday, this is the this one is the intraday target and this is the swing target. Okay, if you can hold it even further, then you can consider this level as your final swing target. Okay, I'm not going to give this for a short side because long side looks much stronger. So moving on to the next one, we have Tata Steel. This is the 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, it had formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern. This can be considered as the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder again. And as you can see, we have a level over here. Right, we do have a level over here. And yeah, we have a level, and it's also given a breakout on 200 EMA. So what we can do is, once it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken and this level can be considered as the target. I'll just check how big this is. Yeah, oh, this is 1%. 1% is perfect for intraday, and you can hold it till here also as your second intraday target. Just in case you want to hold it for swing, what you can do is you can just hold it till here for a swing trade of 2 days, 2 to 3 days maximum, not more than that. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, as you can see, it came down, it went back up, it broke 200 EMA with a very strong engulfing candle, and then it came down for retest, and it is showing a bullish sign over here also. Okay, so what we can do is we have a level over here. Once it sustains above this level, a long entry can definitely be taken, and this can be the target. I'll just check how big this is. Yeah, 1.2%. This target is perfect for intraday, and for swing traders, you can hold it till here. Okay, this can be your target for swing trading. If you can't hold it till further, you can hold it either till this level or till this level. Okay, depends on how long you can hold it. Okay, this is it for Bajaj Finance on 30 minutes time frame. Again, we have now Infosys. Infosys, as you can see, it is on 30 minutes time frame, and we do have a trend line over here, right? It gave a breakout. We do have a trend line, so once it sustains above this trend line, a long entry can definitely be taken. For targets, I'll just check this level. Yeah, perfect. So this is this you can consider as your intraday target, and if you're a swing trader, you can hold it further till here. Okay, this is for Infosys on 30 minutes time frame. Moving on to the next one, we have BPCL. BPCL, as you can see, it is near 200 EMA, and we do have a level over here also. Right, we do have a level here. So once it breaks up and sustains above this level, you can definitely take a long entry, and you can consider this level as the target. I'll just check how big this is. 1% target, perfect for intraday, and for swing you can consider this level as your first target, this as your second target. Okay, very simple. As you can see, just it's on a level and it's near 200 EMA, totally based on price action. If it sustains above this level, you can take the entry. For intraday, this is the target, and for swing traders, you can consider this. Next, we have Reliance. This is the 30 minutes time frame of Reliance. Can you see this zone? Right, this is a zone in Reliance. So what you can do is the stock has given a breakout and it is coming down for a retest, right? So what you can do, you can just wait for it till it sustains above this level. Once it sustains above this level, a long entry can definitely be taken. Do we also have a trend line over here? Yes, we do have a trend line. How big this is? 0.4%. Okay. If it sustains above the trend line, a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your target. Okay, I'll just check how big this is. 1.6% is perfect for intraday. Okay, and if you want to hold it for swing, what you can do is you can just simply scroll back and look for a price action level. Okay, we do have a level over here. So for swing traders, you can hold it till this level. Okay. So this is it for Reliance. Moving on to the next one, we have SB. SB, as you can see, it has been continuously falling below 200 EMA, and it gave a very bullish sign. It opened above 200 EMA, and now it is taking a retest. So what we can do is we can wait for SBI to sustain above this. Okay, we can wait for SBI to sustain above this box. If it sustains above this box, a long entry can definitely be taken. And this looks like a level. I'll just check how big this is. 1.2%, which is perfect for intraday. This can be your intraday target, and for swing you can consider this level as your target. Okay, just in case it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, but I would highly recommend to trade to go for a long trade only, because Nifty is also at all-time highs, and I don't really see this as a good short trade. So only for a long trade. Okay. Moving on to the next one, we have Kotak. Kotak also, as you can see, it has been continuously falling below 200 EMA, and now it is near 200 EMA, right? So what you can do is, can you see it has not been able to sustain above this level? Once it breaks this level and sustains above 200 EMA, long entry can be taken, and I think this can be a good target. I'll just check how big this is. Yeah, 1.3%. This is perfect for intraday. For swing traders, you can consider this level as your target, and this also as your final target. Okay. Moving on to the next one, we have ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, as you can see, I'll just zoom in a bit. Can you see it gave a breakout? Now it's taking a retest, so it might go up from here, or it might come down, take us support from 200 EM and then go up. So what we can do is we can just wait for this one to sustain above this zone. Okay, as you can see, this candle also didn't close here. It opened here, it closed below. Okay, so we can wait for it to close. Once it closes above this level, a long entry can definitely be taken, and I think this looks like a good target. I'll just check how big this is. 1% target is enough for intraday. You can consider this level also as your second target for intraday. For swing, I'll give you. Okay, for swing, we don't have any recent price action levels, I guess. No, this is the same. I'll just check on 1 hour. No, for swing, we don't have a price action level. So what you can do is you can use pivot as your target. Okay, for swing trading, if you're holding for 2 to 3 days, I think 3 to 4% maximum is enough for a target. This can be considered as your intraday targets. Okay, now moving on to Nifty, as you can see, like I said, if it's close above this level, it is going to give a good target. I think it gave a target of around 100 points, right? Yeah, 120 points. So that is amazing. So what you can do is, on daily time frame, if you see, it has given a breakout, right, of this level. It's at all-time high. So what you can do is, if you have not entered here, what you can do, you can just wait for a pullback here. If it takes a pullback and takes supports and goes up, you can just take a long entry over here. So this is it for the analysis, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.